Smart Blotter. Using the Smart Blotter. First, place the base plate on top of the table and align the support plate onto the base plate. Have one filter paper or blotting paper in the proper size. Treat the paper with a pre-treatment solution. After balancing, place the paper flat onto the support plate. Make sure that you cover all the slots at each corner. With forceps, pull out the membrane from its protective paper and immerse it in the pre-treatment solution. After balancing, use forceps to place the membrane flat onto the balancing paper. Also make sure that you cover all the slots at each corner. Take the top plate and make sure to align it properly with the pegs on the bottom plate. Then close the plates together. Use 2 flip stoppers to close the whole system. Be sure to press the top plate gently while attaching the flip stoppers. The flip stoppers are closed by pressing down on them. After closing the system, connect the aspirator's pump by using the quick connector on the tubing. Plug the quick connector in and release it. The system is now ready for transfer. After a transfer, disconnect the quick connector by pressing it in and then pulling out the tubing.